What you're seeing here might look like a real ASMR video, but surprise, it's not. This entire thing was generated using AI, and here's the wild part. Someone used this exact method on TikTok and racked up millions of views in just 6 days. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can create these viral AI-generated ASMR clips, step by step. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into clever content hacks like this. Alright, let's get into it. Now head over to Deevid AI. I have put the link in the description, feel free to click it and follow me. Grab the original prompt. I've dropped it in the video description. Just replace the word in parentheses with the name of a fruit or vegetable, like banana, mango, carrot, whatever you're feeling. Copy the whole prompt, paste it into the text box. Don't forget to adjust your prompt strength, set the resolution, and decide on the length of your video. Once everything is just right, all you need to do is click the Create button to bring your ideas to life. This method lets you churn out fresh ideas for YouTube Shorts or TikToks in a really short time. And since this style is still relatively new, the growth potential is huge. It's honestly a super beginner-friendly way to start making content. No editing skills needed. No complicated script writing. You're literally just changing a few words and hitting generate. Here's the second video we made. Looking good, right? Let me know if you want a matching video title, description, or thumbnail idea for this video. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one with more AI-powered content tricks.